Oh man, amazing inventions you can make yourself. What we got here? Some solder, some grinding, and drill bit drilling out the holes, and a spring. Okay. There's some type of screw with a hole in there for a cotter pin, I guess. Okay, using the grinder to notch out some type of groove. Oh, looks like some type of piston. Okay, drilling out a handle, a wooden handle for a screw. Placing that in and heading to the other one. Ah, a metal punch down tool. Okay. Taking an iron, cutting it out to pieces. Getting some washers, welding to that. Measuring out the holes. Some more drilling. Placing that on. Adding the screw, washer, and a metal tubing. Okay, some more drilling. Okay. Adding a wire, some wiring and pulling that through, some more soldering, and a handle on there. Okay. Looks like a orange juice cap. Couldn't have to fit. And then a plastic bottle, putting that over the top. Oh, okay. A seed planter. The old speakers. Disconnected that, taking out, getting the wire, getting the magnet, drilling a hole in the magnet. Okay, what is this? All right, adding a screw. Okay. Then the top of the speaker, drilling out some holes into that, the cover. Placing the big washer on top. And taking some wiring here. Placing it to the side. Screwing it down. There's your wrench. Oh wow.